First thing we can do is just season the salmon with a little salt. I'm only salting one side because the pieces are thin. Each one of these fillets I cut in half, so this is going to cook fast after it's floured. Some pepper. And here we have some light olive oil so it won't burn. I'm getting this oil hot. First I'm going to saute the salmon. Color on both sides. This is the flour. Take it out, then throw the onions and the garlic in there and get everything finished. Put the thicker pieces in first. If you hear wind in the background, that's because there's a tropical storm outside. And maybe about an hour and 15 minutes or so, it should die down. And the power went off a few minutes ago, but I have my camera and my phone, so I don't need power for that. Now let's saute. Thicker pieces. And of course all that oil in there will be used in a way for the sauce unless I feel like eliminating some of it. Flame as high as possible because we know how fast salmon cooks. And the flour is going to help thicken, not much. Tilt it and then toss it. Now you go the opposite way. Tilt it towards you, toss it. Now I'll go that way. Isn't that nice looking? And I'm going to take out these smaller pieces first, because the thicker ones are still cooking. That's done for now. Put it on a paper towel. That piece has a thick part right there. These are thicker. And then we're going to, after everything is sauteed, if there's too much oil in there, I'll take some out, and then we'll finish the salmon with the onions. Meanwhile, shut the flame off, go down, so that's what we're doing in the next few minutes. I poured half the oil out. Absolutely too much for anything. Lower the flame. Putting in the onions and the garlic. I hope my power goes on soon. No sense in watching this. This will go on for about another 2 minutes. I'm going to add the stock, any kind of stock you'd like, and the lemon juice. And now put the fish back in there. This will take a few minutes. Hopefully, sort of flour that's on there, when I turn this over, more flour will hit the liquid and help this to get a little thickness. And let's get the basil in there. And we are done. Yeah, try and get a nice presentation. And then this. And there you have it. It should taste good. Enjoy.